Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. We need to be out in the alley today because this project will get a little dusty. We are doing a simple tabletop refinish on a cedar table that we've had in our garage. It's gotten a little beat up through the years and we want to bring it back into the house. So we're doing a simple refinish. And we are going to be using hemp oil as our top coat. This is from our friends at Vermont Natural Coatings. We have a few simple tools we're going to be using. We've got a sander here, sandpaper, tack cloth, and finally some wiping cloths. This is going to be an easy project. Let's see how it turns out. It's time for the cheesecloth, tack cloth. It's not cheesecloth, it's tack cloth. It's sticky cheesecloth. It's gonna help us take the sawdust off the tabletop. We're just about ready for the hemp oil application. You can see how beautiful that hemp oil looks. It's going to look great on our table. So we had the distress marks. We wanted to keep those. We wanted to accentuate them. The hemp oil just made everything pop. It looks great, a lot of character, and it was easy to use. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.